exit across the corner, so it's
Yeah.
you don't have to have as many fenders out. I thought you were going to push me there.
Now I'm doing a video. Rock the boat. Don't rock the boat, baby.
It looks to be moving more now than when we came.
Yeah. Look at that. That's a lovely boat, isn't it?
It is.
Looks like a proper boat.
Is it not like the one we went to Ailsa Craig in, but smaller?
Yeah, yeah, it is.
But it is lovely little boat.
It is lovely.
Because out of nowhere there's in that.